Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Yeda nyankopon ase. Enra nam 1 wababa betu na nemu 2. Aggrieved customers are oyo consultant. Womo ye still aggrieved ana.
With the customers in the deal. And from the casa bia a beba. And I give bia bay. As far as entering car or musical. Omakuma entering and talk or million. And then Obia our radio soka bibi na mwana babe kasa abaye kasa atoni jena je nijina no but obosika ana omoshishi. And that is their position. And the point bia be faso a ye be ya won sa be kan mo kan. Nko ani ade ehia customers no.
All right. Enra na our press conference na say say you hu. Na ye bisa say so and someone na apia me say the two dwa edi nkranhye bi edi abre eye customers.
The window and some not kind no. The window of opportunity a ehun ye ni say. Because we yi abaye sinchen a enye yi. It's say abaye den nsa ato na jafade so. Na account na ya freezy. And then, even you buy a quarter or could be bim, I who so wosika, a wahokrano. I can't burn a debabetum because the transactions are all in was tied up to na account. It is your freezy account na. Sika besi de ababetum. Misika walk or a wagana hano. A bikra ko beti media tria ama customers no. My friend say a 10 cities cry. A bit what you be ama customers. And this also see a freezy. And then only say in this era no. On to be because of that about to be churches kabiamo bia. Oh yes, because you are getting yourself involved in money laundering. And then adia any of the sra or say from ma aban say aban beboa. Na buying the units are free account so. Na etimian money transaction no so my yet say and you buy all the enko because a brother of free Ghana akon and yoko ya aware I'll condemn to free more or and yet you buy all or not play so called direct. Also called Nigeria or call Europe and sana or called Dubai on now all the chasing sika. And now we have to say, just now, apart from Dubai, we are now almost setting it up. No money is a Ghana, never be a air course when you know, yes, I dare now, and it's a kind of bit in Yashi. I am in Chadum, Dubai, and Brano, I said, be a man, or million one for free. I probably be saying, oh, what you say, or some was a kind of baby, the break. As a being account, let me be a operational. Sikano omo anu supply among others anu supply omo goda omo try. It's as a idea we see here ya question. That's the kind of big babitum. The process sikano so our access social honoma obetimi ayede aton. This is just window of opportunity now. Yes, say I buy obetimi aboa, but most good customers lady. Tell me about decline account. Yes, say I buy me. I must go to phone customers and also leaders representatives here. About say on that platform, na platform no, etinya boa, ama nya obia beya ebeboa, ama customers nya sika no. Letinya ye. O ka bibi say ya. Obi diraja wo say aban no jeba ade na wo say aban no oye. Se omamu hanomo no. Obia ni wa obetumi prosecute criminal charges this abiding one. And it is a menu obi nya asem obi begini ewu obi ebu mimpo na ye bibi na say a follow under criminal year abai ana dey sa ni papa ko jina court. And you both say the republic against Sanipano. na wo na wo ye ni so na ye complainant eti se o ka se aban emma meboa na on ka se aban emma no ma metua sa sika no nye den emma no mate se people si bebre ekeka bi ebinu edi ho fɛw wele se customers ne se so baba mabu nsa nya sika enye sa na tie isi omamu hanom no di aya na ntino ho adwene a aya na ebinu de kasa ye omamu hanom a na see term you say within the banking and microfinance sector is being regulated by Bank of Ghana and Security and Commission sector over 21 billion Ghana cedis. 21 billion Ghana cedis. And for any denomination say, young man, it's only under regulation. It can be taxpayers if you get to have I can't think far. I can't understand this. Because taxpayers' money, let's say regulating, there's a Bank of Ghana, any security and regulating Ponzia, and Bank of Food, Sikasea. And if the young money is some more, no one to me difficult, and two of you. You see, Adriana and no CNO, what we say, or more banking sector, and it's that security, or more actually. About the press conference, the employer excellence and for Yankia and Copotic over the Koto Monsan Timinka. I want your Monsa a guru Mutis Amri. For Bien Timinka. And one is here, the man receiver, and she can justify and say, oh, do you need to justify very funny for 2 on no more? What is the justification? And it's Namona dear and no Bayen. I will say a boy and some a man. If I pass so when you are Kudrono, now Otini Baye, Sanya Mano, Otini Baye, press conference, and you are. If you are a by memoir, and you are
okay.
On individuals in the sign contracts. And here you be Diana individuals in the Baku. It is Sana Adiano Apapone.
All right. Na information be or her. The teacher where your customers are would do woman, the man as a consultant at the Maumano. Now one more lucky, and as an enchimu enko ye ma woman. But then after send them 1 or 2 and no two, some information, I yet clear at the Maumana.
I say, customers will be as a can. And yet, I put you with your mom. I guess Obi never send them one about the explaining to the BIA clear. The BIA to buy a clear, this woman's musica. That is their position. That is the position I'm about. Just the woman from the country of someone cut a bone of my face. Ibrahim, you know, although a bomb on a bone of my face, two the bonus and all ye be Biaka and found with the Chiachiamo, or just a bone at the end of the day, the bone I was sent. And then I do one. And it's found on my focus. And found when you are someone, it's now a barbeca. And found when you are someone, Obia barbeca. Meaning, I say at the end of the day, moment to come with the Korea Jumano. But don't say, I'm not a question. And you are not all happy about how innovative now the Jumani city. When the practice of the casino, they call Ubo Crapa on John News at the post, the Casafasa business, no, and the Sanima. And you are watching to Ukraine. Who say, I dear or no, what their calculation. I dear or no, and go no, 1,002. The customer is equal, I no more go to 2,000. I think it's no consortium. And today, you have Faswa or Benya. I don't go to a crown or about the two boards in the field. That is the model. I said what creative platform. The bit say Alibaba. And then those a year and what Silicon Valley and then for putting a patronizer around the world. I'm not creating gold trading platform. Amount of over platform as well. Over Tiano, over the commission. Over the mission platform now, what tongue gold, you know. Over money commission. If we took gold no platform this one, it's a gold no the baby I will be an obey the above the supply. No one just the big one. So we should put gold the beer when you're now betting on your 2 to 3 percent discount of the world price. When you corner on the weekly basis, when you're between 12% or add it to percentage at 1,000 to 2,000. And you know, this is a beginner or cut a Ponzi. Yes. Until when I created this platform, from the time of creating this platform, after down the ultimate a Ponzi. So, yeah, in the gold business. I see gold business as well. Obusha Professor Boatia, yet the business plan the command 2017. I $60 billion. So gold, you could two gold. Not say, what are the value? All refine it, now turn it into GOS. It's more than 100 times the value, no? What I say? And you know, whenever you are dealing with gold, you know, a business, a different ball game altogether. And you go to the meeting, I will do a supply, so you can't make my papa do me $39 million free, maybe about. Busa Agata, almost more banking sector, microfinance, you know, you can't afford him. You can't real. You can't do ourselves, the work I said, we do, you know, I done the toilet. You can't, and it's a society, that's a fair. And it's a moment not a branch, you know. I am in for the beef. Let's say a branch, you know, say a cut innovation. Innovation is a new idea which is workable. And until said sex any a yibamono, not ultimately an incrophone, second for near yibamono, and the going to meet Antianica. And a branch, a branch, being all yet innovative. Yeah, you know, it's our duty to say a bit when you say a channel to destroy the future of our youth. I would say a supporter of Tiffany Google, and you for the year, America support one and become more. When you say California, the whole world, California is the fifth in terms of GDP. You go and do California as a state because of Silicon Valley now, what ornament. America, including America. The fifth highest, that's the alone, because of innovation. It is a Namwana BBC. That is where I stand. Okate Adielo is uncharted. It's an uncharted area. The place is very one Emma Obia O trading on the platform, our Ghana. Maybe we have Ultralands is a traditional one, and those of us are involved in that gold business. Traditionally, Yakwakoto gold in the Yashipo Yakoma Obi. Ultrasound Mineral Commission, no, Lances. The late Hammond are not or yet former Adenta MP, a Adenta MP. Late Hammond. On in not or yet CEO of PMMC.
PMMC, yeah.
When I'm 175 move on na Ofrimu. Who the video or interview with Joy? Okay. I'm glad we look at one year about $3 million. You know, or not say 1 year over $50 million as at that time. And it you know, Mama, the first one we are boy. I must have business between a business a boy and go Ghana for the brain. I a business a deep pressure to branch. And you know, like a business and can you do cover costs? And yes, one came mine now, or Mugu now. Let you supply goods, let be secure, but that is the real economic factor. That is the business a bit more support free SHS. And it's a for Omuga. Now, I didn't know Namuan Bay and one, Yamana Basso. So, no, at least 1 year beyond what Tinaba. May present me such as our bank with. Banking sector, there are the regulation. Any microfinance or social leaders never back out. Report about you know, automatic customers. That is the mark of integrity. But it's normal.
But Jacob, you're right, Jacob, say your boy. I'm said they are working there, not just say why are fully convinced say Namwan Jumedia no odinum the operational activities and not just say Bibia da hofine.
Yes, the mistake be more. I duty me kasa as the next president. your president says here. That is how I will see it. I will try to understand it. Let me do this Nanado or with different stance from what I stand. And you know what the boss say first was sending your memory share and innovative for no you say above boy you see that the president will come out to support. They say I should be Obani go Naswa, you try straight. What you say? When this president Nanado or no person or yes I know. I say you're going to say a point you're going to we did say or Manco no a film as I said way a bigger so yeah the business plan I make up a decoma what computer I Martin some million medical saying it's about $50 billion industry. I tell you now, you say a cool industry go there. Wahanoma, you bet Matuna Akina Buana Dimputo Abrayan. Why should we destroy it? And now this is number one, this innovative platform about why can't we sit down together, synthesize the traditional way I export to go, into this platform. Now I'm getting my platform, so I'm trading. That is why we are called Gold Coast.
All right.
Anything that when you play a Gold Coast,
maybe so,
because of there was certain level of understanding in the gold business and what he's doing. I'm also an electrical engineer by profession. And when it comes to IT issues and things like that, I also understand. Plus the mining experience.
Okay.
And if you may say to some extent, may catch the beer to me and go wrong. What I say? The beer will go wrong. And it's only a Ponzi. They say yes, see what banking and microfinance,
All right.
21 billion.
Okay. Maybe South technical question be a briefly what you may man, but that's no. Mami finding out say a year customers now will consult the amount mono. Say sika bang and no much minimum. One more principal and now much dividends. Say fasudi be about when so media can.
I know because a yin nipa obia ni madia at a renter at number one. How do you expect say obetinetia obey with interest? And for now no dear. No almost so any say almost take our money upon almost a bit me a cana. Say near mamma and don't nothing who say near my and put work of what to go or more and kiss her. This is a bit more about your music of the same. A bit more also so I have your music or move of your money. I'm the bapper. Say Ghana, the bishop. Would you see car? What do you pack to bank and microfinance? I think I will be a unity called the package. Because all that question the platform, Ponzi, so number one, then you Ponzi the cash part 21 billion. A door minus, so I see a banking and microfinance. We use it as one idea for what trust? It's a Ghana no financial union, the man personal. We are in a state here, and YNT. This is the time, this cleanup we everybody as a nation, we need to focus. How a bit that build the confidence. Mr. President, not Kabibino, I say regulators, meet as regulators. I can't be a Kuma, I can say if one Bank of Ghana for do on my say, told me. What I say?
Exactly, a cromuti.
I make I say so much, Jessica, so much, say you or more.
I said, a Casabebu, yeah. Not just I said, how can I sack a pump floor because you may. A bit more complicated, I'll say prosecute you almost. What I say, Yama Apostle of banking and microfinance sector. And yet, also 1995, program R5, Sanya money now, you could grab banking and microfinance. But this time, check a hormonal regulator, no one or at the end of air performer, I was say, do a magnificent fear mountain. Omoko, yeah, no magic. And you also almost setting up sub banks in side gaming. They came at the time of beer, no almost party, and already a deal man. So it's a party for an almost certain these banks in this manana. It is African no Mudian, almost in the more Bianca Sawapo. And it's because party for and a day of Manisika. And the young Conco ye 21 billion of taxpayers' money. Yantimin Conca are your tax year, your reserves, no. What you say? Uncle affected the country's reserve. And if the young and some more, no more money, young woman could free. But number one, the young couple, there's no difference. And number one, your Ponzi, there's no difference of even if even it's a Ponzi. I know our case is in your Ponzi. If even it's Ponzi, there's no difference. As a matter of principle of what has happened in the banking sector and microfinance. It's not just a different. They are not just a winner, so no. Say a buy ko yisika the between customers in the car now from so be anyone.
Oh, and phone so there's also say Ghana for. Oh yeah, dear. You're fair. There must be fairness. That is what justice calls for.
Okay.
You can't say when you're under regulation and suppose the people also crying and member betia. When you're regulation and suppose you are also at Minchia.
Okay.
If it's Ponzi, how do we treat that?
All right.
Now, why I to treat, and matter a rosy treat, yes, for me, there. Also, if that is the case, after all, I'm one of why you ready, pursue facing customers, after who is scheduled. A buying beer, anything after a buying ban. A buying, I didn't end up Sapata Tegina. A buying every year is a free in the banking account, so no, my Masika air flow in a bar. They will know.
Okay, you're right.
Customers, and then going forward.
Okay, you're right. You come and say your boy. Menu will be about quick one. Which you must say a Juma or yen will follow any explanation or the amount also the minimum would be dear if a year gold who says some the teacher a year gold trading. But the other ye be son say a second for bear mono. One more can say a man in a new business. The other hold that on the share. Non to us on yena often tuya a customers eka anna na ye bisa said ya wuken ya de no yesusu dua se platform bi so kra na o trade gold na ebia ye de ye nim hu nimdie o mo na mo hu nimdie ye bisa sa ebesi den na me gold ni be de abrɛw wo trade a bosumi bia no emfaso wo hɔ a se me ba beje e de na gold na wo trade ye ne kwakoye a ebe wete se bosumi bia no ebetimi edi bibi edi abrame hono na em se akama yanti ase no
tio wako trade wato gold no obeba ba beto gold no foforo jabe ka no ti ase I say we the capital akwa ma no
okay
enti ade na wako akoto no awo capital no enti wakwakoto wanyamfaso no gold no a wo Ghana ha no wasaba abeto foforo enye wo na wo sa dey another gold ba because wo the capital na man that time na before you don make analysis the gold that is sika wo gold mo no ye bobo so a dey bring Ghana there so also small scale mines are your boy na small scale mine o dey boso me obi abeti dey 10 kilos naba. Okay, there were more than 5,000, more than 5,000 Ghana sites over mine. But today, the move best 1,500 to pay. You're just talking about 15,000. But that will be at the 10. You're talking about 15,000 kilos of gold. And that's 15 tons. That's 15,000 kilos of gold. A kilo of gold, after that, is a best of 45,000, 47,000. So multiply by 15. You get over $600 million a month.
Okay.
So multiply by 12, you get over 7 billion a year. A year you get about 7 billion. That is only the gold trading. Chemical refining, you add value. Turning them into jewels, you multiply it by 20 times. That's good.
Okay.
Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.